There's nothing quite like perfectly cooked seafood on the barbecue. Whenever you cook seafood on any Weber barbecue, it's full of flavour and stays melt in the mouth tender. Creating those results is easy on the Spirit too, and I'm going to show you how. When it comes to cooking seafood on your Weber barbecue, the variety of delicious meals you can cook is endless. From family favourites such as fish fillets, barbecued prawns, scallops, to a beautiful whole baked fish. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to barbecue salmon fillets. Now you can do this straight on the cooking grill, but today we're going to use the hot plate to achieve that golden crispy skin. And we're also going to serve our salmon with a zesty Chamalla Yogurt sauce. Before you start cooking, there are a few important steps you need to take. Firstly, as with all Weber barbecues, it's important that you preheat your Spirit too. To light your barbecue, turn your gas bottle on. Turn the left-hand control knob to the start high position and then immediately press your igniter button. To ignite the other burners, simply turn the gas control knobs to high. When preheating for direct cooking, leave all main burners on high. Preheat with the lid closed for 10 to 15 minutes. Here are our beautiful salmon fillets. All that we need to do is to lightly coat them with olive oil and season with salt and pepper on both sides. Once the barbecue is preheated, turn all of the burners down 2 notches from high. We then place the salmon directly on the hot plate, skin side down. Close the lid and cook for approximately 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, gently flip your salmon over and cook for a further 4 minutes, remembering to close the lid. Once your salmon is cooked, remove it from the barbecue and set it aside to rest. While our salmon is resting, it's time to make our simple Chamalla yogurt. Add to the blender the Greek yogurt and the remaining ingredients. Simply blend all of the ingredients together until the sauce is smooth. Have a look how golden and crispy the skin is. This salmon is cooked to perfection. Now all that is needed is a spoonful of the Chamalla yogurt. Remember, further information on your Weber Spirit 2 and this full recipe can be found in your barbecue handbook or on our website.